This is a concise tutorial on how to buy shares of Midwich Group Plc, a UK-based professional audiovisual distributor. Midwich is listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker MIDW.L. This video is educational only and not investment advice. To get started, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to enable purchases. Open the platform's search bar and type the ticker MIDW.L to find the listing. Locate the correct Midwich Group Plc entry and select it to open the asset page. On the company page, you'll see basic information about Midwich and a price chart showing recent market activity. Confirm the listing details and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock before proceeding. To place a trade, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to spend. Then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the video description if you want to follow the same steps shown.